Hello techies. In this video, I'm going to answer all the questions which are asked by you in the comment section of the previous video about IBM Watson text-to-speech services. For newcomers, if you did not watch that video, please have a look at that video because this is the continuity of that video. I will include the video in the description section as well as in the I button. Without any delay, let's get started. I already set up my IBM Watson text-to-speech servers in Python. The first question is how to convert a text file into speech file with IBM Watson text-to-speech servers in Python. To do that, we have to open the text file in Python first, enter with open location of the text file, as text file. Now we are going to read the data from the text file. After reading the data, we are closing the text file. Now we are going to pass this data to IBM Watson text-to-speech servers. To do that, I'm going to write a audio file with open name of the audio file or location of the audio file. In write mode. Now I'm going to write the audio file with IBM Watson text-to-speech servers. To do that, call our text-to-speech servers dot synthesis, then pass the data, then provide the audio format, dot get result dot content. This is the text file that we converted into audio. Now let's play the audio.
Hello techies, subscribe to my YouTube channel.
That's it. The second question is how to add time break in between words. That is very simple. Go to the text file, add break time in between angular bracket. Now I'm going to enter a break time of 3 seconds. Finally, include a slash. Then save the text file. Then repeat the process. This is the audio file. Let's play the audio file.
Hello techies, subscribe to my YouTube channel.
That's it. We successfully included the break time in between words. Third question. How to change the voice? That is very simple. There are many voice models available for IBM Watson text-to-speech service. To get that all, enter text-to-speech dot list voices. dot get result. This will return all the voice models available at IBM Watson text-to-speech service and detailed information for each voice model. Now we are going to change the voice of the audio file. You can pass the voice model name to IBM Watson text-to-speech service with voice parameter of synthesis. Now I'm going to use this voice model. You can see the detailed information about this voice model: gender, female, supported feature, customizable, name of the voice model, description, supported language, and URL. Then run the program again.
This is the text file that we converted into audio file. Let's play the audio file.
Hello techies, subscribe to my YouTube channel.
That's it. We successfully changed the voice of the audio file.
This is bonus tip. Now I'm going to show you how to add expression to the speech. Currently, IBM Cloud is supporting 3 types of expression: good news, apology, and uncertainty. To add expression to the speech, you have to edit the text in the text file itself. Go to the text file. Just like HTML file, we have to edit the text file. Open express as type equal to type expression type. That could be good news, apology, or uncertainty. Then enter the text. Then finally close the expression. Just for our understanding, I included break time for 3 seconds. Then I included example for all the 3 types of expressions. Now let's convert this text file into speech. As I said before, I'm going to read the text file. Then I'm going to convert that data into speech. These expressions can only support English, US, Alice and Voice. It cannot support any other voice model. So if you enter or provide any other voice model, it will show a error. Let's run this program.
We successfully converted the text file into audio file with expression. Let's play the audio file.
Congratulations on your engagement. You two are perfect for each other. Please forgive me for deleting your files. It was an accident. Could she still be in the office? She told me that she might leave early.
That's it. We successfully converted the text file into audio file.
Thanks for watching. I hope this video will be useful for you to get most out of IBM Watson text-to-speech service. For doubts and feedback, use the comment section. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button. For more videos like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can contact me at any social media. All the links are given in the description section. as well as my portfolio website is also given in the description section. You can visit that and contact me. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.